Hi, I'm Bill Bideman, Second Assistant Chief with the Manchester Fire Department. The town of Manchester is initiating a program to get combination carbon monoxide in smoke detectors out into the community. We're trying to get them to the underserved populations. Anyone with an interest should contact the town office at 802-362-1313 extension 2. We're planning to do installations on April 26th, and we are also looking for volunteers. They can contact that same number, 802-362-1313 extension 2, and we hope to see you there. And we have smoke detectors that are looking for a good home. Thank you.